Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to close tabs on Android. So first of all, go for your Chrome browser or any kind of browser. Then go for your tabs. I have 4 tabs here, you can see. Then if you wanna just close one tab, then just do this tap on this cross and it's closed now, or you can undo this one, you can see. Otherwise, if you wanna close all tabs, then just go for 3 dot option here. Okay, just go for 3 dot option here. Now just tap on close all tabs and tap on again close all tabs, and yeah, so I've undo this one. So yeah, that's how you can close tabs on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.